Never sort of seriously thought about bus preservation before. It wasn't completely off the table, but it's easy buying the vehicle. The difficult bit after that is storing it, maintaining it, putting fuel in it. This came up for sale last year. After I came back from London, I worked for Arriva at Loftus in 2002, and we had a few of these up there. I don't think any of the Teesland District ones or the Arriva Durham County ones survive now. So I saw this for sale and I thought, there's not many Vectas left, I'd best buy it. So I sort of thought about it for a couple of months and it stayed available, so I took the plunge. So far, so good. They've got a few weak spots, and they might be difficult to get a few parts for, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. So we'll have a run through to Saltburn tonight with it. Is that's which I've pre-organised the chippy for you, so they've put extra staff on.
Got to be an organisation.
Not the expensive one, the one at the bottom of Catnab across the way. So a bit of a change for you, because
so you can get the car park.
Yeah, we'll have a run through. I don't know if you want to go straight through, if you want to go around the seafront at Redcar on the way through and then come straight back instead. It's entirely up to yourselves. I'm easy. But, well, yeah. Hey, this is my first one. I want to keep you all happy ultimately. It's your evening.
And then if we can stop up at the pub for half an hour on the way back. Because the bar and kitchen's closed this week.
Well, we're all on the same page of that, aren't we? So all on the same bus, that is.
Hold tight, please!
Yeah.